Hello, I'm here to pick up my motorcycle license. God, it feels good to be back on the bike. Oh, it's actually amazing. So I've been riding for 2 days with my full motorcycle license, not restricted to anything. And just to clarify for some of you, I have not bought this Ducati. This is not my Ducati, but I'm borrowing it of my father until I find a bike that I can, you know, ride or buy, or both, preferably. So yeah, right now we're just cruising on the Ducati Monster 796 ABS. And that sound though, you probably heard that. I hope you like that little cinematic in the beginning that I did. And yeah, goddamn, it feels good. Whew. So I guess we're back to this motovlogging thing. I feel like I'm so freaking rusty on this, because I've been trying to make this kind of I'm back video, I guess, for like 2 days. My original plan was to put it out on the 19th. So right now I've been riding so much on this bike these days, just cruising basically and accelerating onto highways. I even went out for a ride with Scandi MC. And that was amazing. We ran through, or rode through Skade, which is one of the cool roads here. This bike sounds amazing. And there's a tunnel. So for those of you that don't know what a tunnel is, you probably live in America, because you don't have a lot of them there, I guess. But here we do. Oh my goodness. Yeah, tunnels, I like them. Go ahead, sir. So yeah, right now we're just riding. Motovlogging is hard. I should have had a topic, but the topic is basically I'm back. And what has happened the last 2 days. And yeah, I saw Deadpool 2. Great freaking movie, by the way. Amazing. This sound, I love it. I might be a Ducati fanboy after this. I'm gonna go and test ride a lot of bikes though. I'm gonna test ride like the MT-09, MT-07 again, full effect MT-07, and maybe some other bikes, KTM 790 Duke, I guess. and maybe I'll be able to test ride a lot of cool shit, which I'm probably not gonna buy, but I mean, I've got some test rides set up. Look at that, the ocean. Isn't that beautiful? Not really, but I've got some test rides coming up. One of them is, I can't believe that he's actually gonna borrow me or let me try his bike, but sure, I'll take it. I'm not asking questions, I'm only asking for forgiveness. Is that a saying? I don't know. Okay, so I guess we're kind of gonna end the vlog here. I mean, thank you guys so much for watching, and I've been trolling you guys so much over at Instagram. I'm sorry, but I did not buy this bike. I'm borrowing it. I might be able to buy this off of my dad if he wants a new bike, but we'll see. If I like for example, some of the other bikes that I'm gonna test ride a lot better, then I'm probably gonna buy those instead. Yeah, so I mean, there wouldn't be a video, would it, if we're not accelerating onto the highway? Ah, you're going onto the highway as well. Come on. I'm just gonna stay back here. Just gonna stay back here onto the highway, yeah? And then we're closing off this video. We're ending this video. The beautiful weather, by the way. I was so worried that it was gonna rain the day I got my license, but it didn't. Okay, after this we're ending the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.